shit. Oh, it's so beautiful. I always wanted red seats. Oh my gosh.
It's, oh, it's not there. Okay, we're good.
We're good?
People park over there under the tree all the time.
Oh my gosh. What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright, back with a new video. Today, you know what I'm saying? Hellcat shopping. I love my little, not even little, I love my Durango. I love it. I don't know, I just be wanting to upgrade shit. Like, I don't know, I be wanting to do better and better day by day. Like, not necessarily say like a Hellcat better than my car. I mean, a Hellcat is better, it's a higher version. So I just like getting more and better and stuff. I like getting more in shape. I like getting better clothes, better cars, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm not a jewelry guy, but I will get some grills eventually. But I seen a dealership had they had a Hellcat. Hopefully they still got it. I'm gonna go to two dealerships. So one of them gonna have they got a flat tire on the Mercedes. This shit, everything fucked up on that car. I seen the Hellcat on the website. I'm not even gonna ask no dealer if they still got it. I'm just gonna walk around so I can find it myself, because I low-key hate like going to people and talking. So I kind of like figuring shit out myself. And then if I can't figure it out, then I'll go ask for help, to be honest. So we're gonna look around and see. Damn, it's so hot in Florida. I hate it here, bro. I really want to get out of Florida, bro. I really do. Shit, it's too hot, bro. I got these dreads in my head. I was wearing slides and fucking basketball shorts, but it don't help because it should be hot. What's this? It's an all-wheel drive Q60. They make that? I didn't know they made an all-wheel drive Q60. This shit gotta be fast. I would get this, low-key. All-wheel drive Q60. I ain't never heard of that shit. Oh, look, I'm gonna look that up later on the internet. And so far, I don't see it, so I'll let y'all know when I get back. See, if I wanted a car for females, this right here should give me some hoes. I can afford this too. And Porsche's gonna be worth shit. What is this? 2016. We got hella miles, that's why. It's really nice though. See, this my car. See, my fucking Durango worth way more than this. I can get this and hoes would think I upgraded. But eventually I'll get me some rich classy car. Right now I'm just trying to have fun. This should look real hard, black on black. I can afford this too. Why is this one older? What's the miles? Oh, this got way less miles. So this one older but costs way more. I would never buy this. This is not a good buy. $47,000 for 2013. It's not worth it. I know a little bit about Porsches. I'm not a big Porsche guy, so I don't think it's a good buy. Not one sales rep has come up to talk to me. It's because I'm black. I get one of these. Got the same interior as my car. They're not gonna let me test drive it because it's inside here. This shit was outside. They'll let me test drive it. I already know. can't test drive this, can I?
You got a driver license here?
Yeah. I doubt it. But, oh, they let me test drive this shit. 63,000 miles is low. Let me know if this is a good buy. I think it's a pretty good buy. I thought it was cheap on the website though. Let me see if I'm tweaking. It is. It's 59 on the website. It's cheap on the website. That's crazy. We'll talk about that. Look at this shit. This dealership, I wanted to just look around and look for it, but this dealership way too big for me to look around, so I'm just gonna go and walk inside this time. Fuck it. Way too big to be walking around like a dickhead. Alright, so this is it right here. And of course, this car right here is blocking it. This should look hard. Oh my gosh. Is this it? Ain't got no badges on it. This ain't. It ain't got no badges on it. Unless they debadged it. Red interior. Is this it? This might be it. I can't tell. Florida niggas is so difficult debadging cars and shit. Put the cat sign back on it. When I buy this shit, I want the cat sign back on. I ain't gonna lie.
12. You got this one. That's not a Hellcat. That's a nice car.
What, the TA?
That's the V8.
Oh, is it?
That's got the 6.2. This one right here. This is cute. Nice car. 13,000 miles. It's got the scat pack. It's got the 6.4 liter engine. Yeah. Really nice car.
Almost brand new.
Yeah. Nice claim.
It's almost brand new, but I want a Hellcat.
Huh? That's the Hellcat over there?
Yeah. I have a Durango
Oh, you do?
SRT.
Okay.
Yeah. It's pretty much the same as this.
Yeah, you want to get the yeah.
Trying to upgrade a little bit.
Yeah. That's a fun car.
Mine.
They don't make them no more.
They don't, I know.
You know the Hellcat?
Well, shouldn't they be going up or are they going
They're
down?
$80,000-$90,000 now, the new ones.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It's a bad boy.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I always wanted red seats. Oh my gosh. My God. So can I test drive it? Yeah.
You looking to buy the car?
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright.
Yep. You have your driver license? Yes, sir. I'll be right back.
Oh, let's go. I get to drive a Hellcat. What a great day. Oh my gosh, man. I want a red interior car so bad. This shit gonna be so much fun. That's what I did when I had the Durango. When I got the Durango, the before I got my drink, I put the camera right here and I sat there and talked to y'all, saying like I couldn't afford this shit because I only got no job, I quit my job. It's like I'm manifesting this shit, I'm gonna drive this shit, I'm gonna love this shit, I'm just gonna keep elevating, you know what I'm saying? Red key, you know what I'm saying? With a red key type shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bleed. Oh my gosh, like, man, I need this. Like, did this come like this, all carbon fiber, or they did this? Like, this shit sound loud. This shit sound like my damn Durango.
Charge double for this, but. There you go.
I just want to drive one of these.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna love it.
So just turn out here.
Yes, sir.
So have you drove this?
Me?
Yeah.
I test drove it, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
Seems smooth.
Oh yeah, it's clean.
Yeah, I like this car.
Yeah, it's good. You're gonna have some fun.
Oh, I gotta get this. I should have went shut nine.
Yeah.
Brakes are
It took
good,
it.
though.
Oh yeah, he just spent $7,000 in brakes. Yeah. This is ready to go.
So why you traded in? We just put in brakes in.
Oh, he bought a $100,000 truck.
You bought a what?
$100,000 truck.
What, the TRX or something?
No, it was a Denali Ultimate GMC.
Why you go to that?
Huh?
Why you go to that?
Hey, those are nice though. They're not fast like this, but
Yeah.
they have the 6.2 V8.
Okay.
But you know, he probably needed a truck or something.
6.2 V8.
Yeah.
It's like a Scat.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so he's still not in nothing slow.
Yeah. No, definitely no.
So I can mess around with this?
Yeah. You can traction and do, you know, change stuff.
I go back. Because right now I'm in eco.
Yep.
Yeah, I should have went this way.
So you can make a ride on military.
Right here, okay.
Yeah. And then we go around the block.
Alright.
Man, this shit getting hot.
Yeah, hopefully it don't turn on. Oh my gosh!
You can make it right. Oh yeah, bro. This is.
Makes my car look slow.
Oh, what you got?
I got a Durango SRT.
Oh yeah. Yours is nice, but this is faster, a little bit more. Yeah.
That's
It got
all
some
I
torque
drive,
too.
But this is.
They got some torque too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! I think I fell in love. This is what love feels like.
I know. Trust me. I saw this, I was like, oh my god, if I could just
How long
do
have
it.
you had it for?
It's a couple of days.
Oh my gosh! My dad would love this car.
There's a couple always over here somewhere. Oh, it's not there. Okay, we're good.
We're good?
Park over there under the tree all the time.
Oh my gosh!
Sound crazy, bro.
The sounds, the looks. I wonder why you took the badges off.
You don't want people to know it's a Hellcat.
Yeah.
And then when they're trying to race it, he probably
Yeah, making them look stupid.
yeah. They'd be like, oh, that's a
RT or
catback or
something,
something. And they go like, okay, you want to go like, bet.
Burn everybody.
Oh, forget about it. You don't touch it, bro.
Yeah, this right here. The odds of you losing to a race in this car is like, you gotta be going against like I don't even know what type of car.
Yeah.
Something crazy.
Yeah, something crazy. You don't have to get.
Not even a Lambo. Like, you gotta be something real crazy.
Yeah, they beat it sometimes. Some of them have only 500 horsepower, 600 horsepower.
In a Lambo?
The Lambos, yeah.
Oh.
You know?
That's what my truck got, 5.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why these cars.
And the Lambos don't be all-wheel drive, they be rear-wheel.
Correct. Oh shit, I gotta put it.
I feel like this car saves more gas than my car does. I can just turn right here. That's my car right there.
Okay.
All right. I kind of feel like it's zoomed in. It is zoomed in.